Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore purchase protection claim steps with Amex, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore a purchase protection claim with American Express, begin by gathering all relevant documentation. Locate your original purchase receipt and any supporting evidence, such as photographs of the damaged item. Log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Account Services section on the website. Select Dispute a Charge from the available options. Choose the specific transaction related to your purchase protection claim. Review the details of the purchase and confirm that it qualifies for protection under Amex's policies. Click on File a claim for the selected transaction. Carefully fill out the claim form with all required information. Upload the necessary documentation, including your receipt and any other supporting evidence. Submit your completed claim form for processing. You will receive a confirmation email indicating that your claim has been received. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your claim. If additional information is requested, respond promptly to avoid delays. Once your claim is reviewed, you will receive a final decision via email. If your claim is approved, funds will be credited to your account in accordance with Amex's policies. If your claim is denied, you have the option to appeal the decision. Make sure to follow the appeal process detailed in the communication you receive. Keep all correspondences and documentation related to your claim for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.